What is popping? You dig what I'm saying? Hey, I'm back again, man. Listen, I'm trying to tell y'all about these compressors, right? Compression don't gotta be no goddamn rocket science. I've been trying to tell y'all. People didn't understand what I was trying to say, so today, we're gonna dive straight in. Let go, man. See, look. My top 3 favorite compressors of all time. Right here. Because they make it so easy. So simple to work with. They're easy. Somebody tell you they can't work with this right here, they tripping. I'm about to put y'all on real quick. So let's start with this, right? Let's start with the other compressors. The ones that I don't really talk about. The ones that I don't want to dive into. So we're going to start with the RVox. You're a brand new, you're a rookie, a starter. You know what I'm saying? You're not going to know exactly where to set the attack, where to set the, what they call it, the release. So let's go. Let's see, right here. What ratio we want? Let's probably say like a 4. A 4 ratio. 4-to-1 ratio. Give me, yeah, that. Right? Attack. What in the junk going on? Oh, threshold. Ooh, boy. Threshold. That sound crush. That sound crush to my ear, right? But let's say I want to move it back. It's not really catching a peak, but my boy, it is not helping either. See, for somebody that's very new, this gonna be hard for you to figure out. Where to set the attack? Where to set the release? You want that or you want this? You're not gonna know what to do. Same with this one. Same with this guy right here. 73. I think it's 73. CLA. 76. 76. This the Pepsi? I don't think that's the Pepsi. The Dr. Pepper setting right here. Hey, listen, man. If you don't know how to use this one right here and you feel like I've seen it plenty of time and people use this setting right here. The Dr. Pepper setting. You know what I'm talking about? You gotta go do your research. That Dr. Pepper setting right here. Not these guys. Not these guys. Don't worry about these guys. I'm talking about this guy. The 3 and a 5. That's like Dr. Pepper. But man, we're not talking about that today, man. We're not talking about that today. We're gonna dive into the main guy. Whoa, what I just took out? The main guy. Alright, check this out. Where we at with the vocal? You see, we peaked that. What's that, -8? We peaked that -8. So, my favorite of all of them, all these guys right here, my favorite one is this guy right here. The PuigChild 660. Why? It's very simple. It's very simple. Input, threshold, output. This right here like the release, but I'm going to show you in a second. Let go. Let's say I want to do -5, 7, -5 or 7 maximum, 7 maximum on a compression, right? Let's see. Right? You heard that? Now let me take it back off. You see how that little third, I think it was a third, yeah, jumped out of the pocket? Compression. Alright, check this out. when I was talking about this guy. So you set up your input threshold, and then like the makeup gain right here, right? So if you look at this guy right here, right? And I'm gonna move this from 1 to 3, and you're gonna see the release, how it works over him. You see that? Now look at this on the 1. See that? It's an attack and release built in. See how it jumping like, yeah, cat on, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. So yeah, this one very easy. The next easiest one, this guy, RVox. Look, I want -7 on a comp. Let go. It's so easy. Alright, I did -8. So all I gotta do is with that 13.8, they can't hit 14, I just do 13. Let's see. Alright, but now check this out. We jumping off, but if you can remember, we was at -8, so we just gotta bring this jump back down. You get the mojo. You get the mojo, man. Alright. This is gonna be it. Very easy tutorial, man. Hey, this is not gonna take forever, you know? I've been holding off on making this video because it's just so simple. I'm like, there's no need for me to make a video. You know what I'm saying? But I see that, you know, we don't all learn the same. We don't all learn the same. So I just came like, hey, maybe some people really need to know how the hell this thing works. Let go. The next one, CLA2A. CLA2A, everybody heard that. You heard it before. Right? Hey, you heard it before? Man, come on, man. You ain't heard it before, man. Easy. CLA2A. So how we started, John? When did John start? It be in the middle. Like, half and half. We don't need no half and half. Well, I need you to be flat, direct. F1 jet fighter, you know what I mean? Let go. Let's do -7 dB on the compression. Let go. Ooh, boy, that boy jump. Alright. Somebody gonna be in there like, it went over 7. Come on, man. It's constantly around 7. Well, somebody might be louder than it. Slow it down, you know what I mean? But beside that, we... Perfect. You see that, y'all, man? Hey. It's easy, man. It's way more easy than people make it seem. Just don't go jump into them compressors that have like 9 knobs. You don't know what them doing. You're not there to know that. Hey, even if you... See, I've known about compression for a while. You know what I mean? But I still don't use those because, bro, who want to waste time on that? Who want to spend... Man, the guy on Spotify not going to know. He not going to care. So why am I here like, ooh, I'm going to dial in? Nobody care, bro. Nobody care. I seen people, man, get signed using a $200 mic, a $100 mic. You stressing over the thing that don't matter, bro. I mean, compression is not supposed to be crazy. Man, we out of here, bro. Come on, man.